Hi guys, Fraz here, Real Car Dealers of Cheshire. Just going to do a little tip on how to tidy up some seal stroke trim. So here we go, we've got some PU sealant. I'll just mask this off. So what I'm going to do is just run. I mean, it's nice today because it's lovely and hot. We're just running a little strip round here. We've pre-masked it. We've used some fine line tape. Glorious day here. Some of us don't need to go to Spain. Hear that? Did you hear that buzzing? That was a worker bee. Right round. I actually use this trick quite a bit on some of the shadows on the actual window seals. Oh, yeah, around there. Okay, so we've got that on. Cloth now. That's why I've got my gloves on. Ta-da! I'm saying that. I'm going to be right-handed. We'll go this way. So, what we're going to do now. This off again in a minute. Let's give this a smear round. Okay, like so. It is horrible gear, this, but also beautifully brilliant. So we'll go around this bit, carry on. So that, I'm hoping, should have given us a line. Now, simply pros and cons of warm today. See, we've now got a nice fine bead seal along here, just along the edge, down here.